Hello, hello. I'm Dr. Rena Walsinger, the Technical Director at Eduvators. Today we're going to go over something really fun, DALL-E 3. It has a new editor that makes things a lot more personable, and you can correct or change images to make them the way that you like to use them. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT. I'm using 4Omni, which is free. I do have the paid version though, so there's other things like you see my ChatGPT 4Omni with Canvas available there, but we're going to use ChatGPT 4Omni. Okay, so let's take a look at this image editor with DALL-E. Let's create an image, start maybe with my pet. So let's create my Bichon Frise puppy in a Halloween scene. See what we get. Okay, that's really great. That's super cute. Now, once I click on the image, I'm going to see the editing features. So the first is the prompt. You can see it made my prompt a lot longer. A cute Bichon Frise puppy dressed up in a fun Halloween costume sitting in a festive Halloween scene. And it goes on to describe the scene with a witch's hat, decorations, cozy, warm, all of the adjectives that make it a better prompt. So I love that. I could save this, but let's look at the editor. So I get a little tool. I can have a small circle or a bigger one, basically to erase something and add something different. So maybe let's erase, let's see, maybe I'm going to erase this pumpkin here and maybe make something else. Let's add a maybe tiki statue. Okay, that's pretty funny. It's kind of a pumpkin tiki statue. Okay, let's try another one now. Go back to ChatGPT and let's do something maybe educational. Okay, let's try another one. Create an image, maybe an image for my website. Happy to help. So maybe I have a website about repairing cars. Okay, that's great. Now if I want to change this image, I'll go ahead and click on the image. Again, I have my editing tools here. So maybe I want a different car. So I'm going to block out this area and just say change to a red Lamborghini. I'm going to put Lambo, see if it understands, and add repair tools and have it regenerate that. One of the things we need to worry about is ethnic diversity in education, and you can see it tends to generate pictures like this, which I don't really like. So add two technicians who are ethnically diverse, and add and make the car white. And let's see what happens. Okay, much better. And actually that's exactly what, that's a perfect one. So being able to, between prompting and over here, having these tools so that you can erase things and then add new sections, that's actually one of the better ones that I've gotten for automotive repair. Perfect. Okay, let's create one more image just to do something with a different style. So let's create a comic page about a purple villain. Let's see what happens. Oh, very, very cool. So you can see the text is messed up, but you can see the comic panels there. So once I click on it, maybe I can take my selection tool. Maybe let's take out his hair and make it blue. So add blue hair. Okay, so I got blue tinges in the hair, so that looks pretty cool. And let's look at the prompt here. Oh, wow. Okay, so we see all the new things that I added in the panels. It does say blue hair up there, what's going on in each panel. So it's a pretty long prompt compared to what I gave it. Okay, let's try one more. I got one my prompt was sci-fi scene with droids. So we got that. I'm going to erase these and put maybe a different kind of droid here. So make new droids more like an R2. Let's see if it gets this. And now I have an army of R2 units all over my sci-fi image. So I guess I can do that. So DALL-E can do a lot more with these, the new prompting and the new tool up here, as well as enhancing the prompt. You can see what it did here with my prompt. It made it a lot longer than my original prompt. So that's the latest in DALL-E 3 and image editing. So I really like the features in the new image editors, including DALL-E 3, where you can choose reference images or choose a part of the image to recreate something in the scene. You can use prompts to change the scene, or like these tools, you can choose part of an image and just change that, which is closer to the way that we edited before all of this AI came onto the scene. So that's a little bit about DALL-E 3. I'm Dr. Rena Walsinger, and join us at www.eduvators.net for more about how to use AI for educators and content creators. See you next time.